Yo, what is up? It's dude, YouTube intros are so cheesy. I just can't bring myself to do it. So, sorry I don't have some catchy. It's your boy Fancy Pants. It's just so corny. I will say thanks for watching, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. And if you subscribe, even appreciate you more. Actually, I'm not going to start with that. That's the main event. Let's start with the undercard here. We have some stuff in from Adidas, the Yeezy division of Adidas, and I hit off this stuff off Confirmed. So shout out Confirmed. Just having a lot of success. I still strike out on some things, so it's not like perfect, but my success rate on Confirmed is way higher than sneakers. So a couple weeks back, they had the Yeezy Slide in Glow came out, premiered, debuted, whatever you want to say. And I signed up for it in all the sizes. Missed out in my size, but I did cop a Pure in my size. But since I've already done an unboxing video of that colorway, check it out with some others. I didn't even bother saving it for camera. I already sold it. Sold it to a kid on Melrose. So right here we have the Glow colorway in size 2. Size 2 is not my size. So I did sign up in the kid sizes. Yes, right? Initial thoughts, it's a little, I feel like it's a little scummy signing up for kids' shoes to flip or resell. But hear me out. Let's take a look at these first. There's some rationale behind it. A little justification. I like this colorway. Then again, I tend to like the neon green, slime green, volt yellow. I dig this colorway. I'm a little flashy like that though. Hence the name Fancy Pants. Okay, back to justifying getting kids' shoes. I do not have any kids. But the way I justify it is I do have family members, nephews, kids, with kids. I think these, if you're looking for gift ideas and you're a sneakerhead, I think this is a good idea for family members. You know, holiday season's coming up, birthdays, you get them something hard to get. They think it's cool. They think it's dope or hype, and you didn't pay the resale price for them if you can get them for retail. So that's my justification. I get I get a couple of these, I sell one, pays for the other one, and it's a kind of neat gift from the sneaker guy in the family. So that's how I justify it. It's still a little skeezy. Ultimately though, too, basically what it comes down to, as you know, it's it's an easy-ish flip. I gotta fund this channel, fund my sneaker habit somehow. So if you guys want unboxing videos, you gotta let it slide. See what I did there? You gotta let it slide. That sometimes you gotta do stuff like this to earn a buck. That being said, these aren't selling for a ton over retail. These slides, I don't know what it is. The foam runners, the kid foam runners, I think I unboxed prior to a video a little while back. I did at the beginning of the video. Those are selling much better. I don't know what it is. People like the foam runners better. They hold up more. They're more unique. They're not just a sandal. But the foam runners and the kids sizes, definitely better percentage that you get back. Better return on investment, I should say, than these slides. I don't know what it is. I don't know why that is, but that's hence why I still have these and haven't flipped them already, just because like I can make a little bit of money, but it's not much. So I'm just gonna hold on to them for now, see if they go up. These tend to go up over time, especially new colorways, because just they get worn out, supply dwindles. People who are rich, I guess, still want them for their kids. So I'll most likely see about selling one, and that'll pay for keeping the other one. Who knows, I have kids one day and I'll have a pair of slides for them to look dope at the playground. So that's what I'm going to do with these. So this is 6K. So I wanted to show you this. Appreciate you if you're still sticking around. I'm going to open that very soon. I wanted to open this because it's slightly different. The infant size has the little heel strap. These are just adorable, aren't they? Now, I don't know. I'm going to talk about with foam runners. I don't think these are made with the same material as the foam runners. The foam runners, as we'll get into here in a second, are these are all made in China. Hopefully not by children who wear that size slide. The foam runners are made with algae, so that's what I find dope about these. The silhouette isn't for everyone. They look wild, look crazy. It's Kanye. You might have your feelings on him, as I do. But I will give it that they're definitely unique. It's not just retread material over and over. And it's doing something different. And on top of it, it's a sustainable material that is used to manufacture these, that algae foam. So that's one big thing that I can get behind with these over other shoes. You know, I've mentioned a couple videos before, but it's just such a materialistic hobby. I feel a little bit bad. I'm a bit of a tree hugger, but I'm also a big hype beast, and I like materialistic goods, unfortunately. So I'm constantly in battle with those two things of trying not to consume as much, trying to be a little bit more minimalist in my life, be a conscientious purchaser and consumer. So I do appreciate when brands, people put a little thought into the materials that make these. And I think the market reflects that. I think, Nike's had some success with their recycled material, the Creator program, and some of their runners using recycled materials. So I think it is having an effect. The more people that buy that stuff. So keep on buying it. Support their corporations. They're trying to make money. I agree. But, at the end of the day, it's better than them not doing those initiatives. Interesting, different box. A little less cardboard used in this, kind of going with the theme. It's thinner cardboard. It does have a sticker here. You got your foam runner print on this. And there they are. Let's take a look at these. So I did recently get the clay foam runners. There's an unboxing video for those. I think I got them in my size. Yeah. Now these things are going for insane money. So you definitely go a size up in these for everything. Basically, if you don't know, I know many of you do, but basically in all Yeezy products, you go a full size up. So I'm a 11.5, 12. I get these in a 13. I think the larger sizes are a little bit more premium to a degree. And shouts to Confirmed. I got these in like 2 days. The raffle went up like today's Sunday. The raffle went up like Thursday, Friday. I got the notification that I won them very shortly after, and then here on Sunday, I think Sunday I got these. Crazy. These are the Ochre colorway. That's how you pronounce it. Not Ochre, not Ochre, not Ochre, not whatever. It's Ochre. I looked that up beforehand. I hate when people who review shoes and stuff get things wrong that are easily Googleable. I am by far not the most knowledgeable person, but I take the 2 seconds to Google something beforehand, and everyone should too that's making content. I don't put as much effort, obviously, into the production value of the video, so shouts to all those YouTubers and people making content that involve editing. So, but the information, easy stuff, you gotta take the 2 seconds. And what does Ochre stand for? It is referring to a color, kind of an iron, a reddish yellow iron ore rust color, and that's definitely what these are. I don't know if I would say these are. I guess if you combined a rusty red and a rusty yellow, you'd get this brownish tint. So I guess that's right. I don't see quite as much red in these, but I guess if you mix that with other colors, you get this. So yeah, these retail are what, like 80 bucks? I think the retail, these are 80 bucks. In total, it cost me like 88. These things are list price is like around 300 in this size. Highest, well, maybe a little less, but the highest on StockX, the highest buy bid is like around 250 for these. And all in all, when you cash out, it's like going to be like 210, 215. Like that's crazy amount of profit on these. So as much as it's kind of cool if like to wear these maybe as house shoes around the house, my Starbucks slip-ons, I'm just it's too big a profit to ignore to get stuff that I really like. I mean, that's a huge profit margin, so I'll be trading these in. Probably to StockX will sell them. It's pretty easily, pretty painless. Or maybe I'll use these as trade bait because I really want some other shoes, and so I'll just subsidize the cost by using these in the deal. Let's put these on really quick for the camera. I got my Joshua Tree National Park ZXs. I've worn these in multiple Adidas unboxing videos. Love these. Check out this unboxing video. I'm not going to say anything more about them, but these are, I will say, these are, you can find these on sale or under retail, I think. Get yourself a pair. Do yourself a favor. If you like trainers, runners, you like outdoors, national parks, whatever, deserts, this colorway, Cordura, whatever, Adidas, these are dope. Watch my unboxing video. Okay, let's try these on. I'm going to try them on with socks first, and then maybe all you foot fans might get a foot video out of me to see how they look. I don't know. These are wild. I know these are not for everyone. And I feel you. They do feel comfortable. Definitely go half size up. They do feel comfortable. But these are perfect fit for me. A full size up. Let's see here. Take these off. Let's do the barefoot thing. Hopefully these don't get flagged on StockX. All right. There you go. I should charge a subscription for this, but you guys are getting it for free. Feels like a sandal, sandal bottom. I don't know what to tell you. This just feels weird to me. I'm not a big barefoot guy. I used to go barefoot a lot more. You'd think in Southern California I would, but I just don't. I'm definitely more of a socks guy. This could get sweaty quickly. But yeah, there they are on foot. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe. Would appreciate you. If you don't like these, don't dislike the video just because you dislike these. Dislike the video if you don't like the video itself. Leave a comment. Your thoughts. Do you guys got a pair of these? Do you want a pair? How have you been on Confirmed? How's your luck? I'm at the icon level. I don't know if that influences my success rate, but definitely I'm at the icon level, and I have a pretty good hit ratio on these. So yeah, these are gonna be sold, and with that, there should be more unboxing videos in the future. I'm almost to 500 subscribers, so once we get there, maybe we'll do a little collection video or two. Maybe we'll do some different things. Maybe I'll buy a better camera. Who knows? Maybe you'll see my face. I don't know. Thanks for watching.